here, but it's also not entirely unexpected. We saw the case numbers increasing over the last week or so. That's why the Tier 4 was introduced. And we now have this new virus variant, which seems to be more transmissible, so it's not entirely unexpected. So I'm afraid we are going to have a difficult few months ahead of us, I think.
You know, we talk about these being record-making figures compared to the first lockdown period in March and April. But how much are these figures a matter of more testing taking place?
Yes, you're right. The numbers of patients, or people diagnosed, tested positive, is really difficult to compare back in earlier the year, because the testing is way more extensive now. So that's not really the figure that is directly comparable. I think the one that's of most value is looking at the number of patients in hospital. And there are a large number of patients being admitted and a large number of hospital beds used up, and we're seeing some real stress in the healthcare system, and that's a real indicator that this is a time that we've got to take transmission seriously and really bring down the number of cases.
But is this being caused by the new strain, do you think? Perhaps we haven't yet felt the effect of the household mixing at Christmas.
Yeah, it's a mixture of things, isn't it? I think the new variant, we're still learning about it, but it does look like it's more transmissible, which means it's going to be harder to control. But also, there's always a lag in the system, so it'll be a while before we see those Tier 4 measures